Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any website on your browser in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. And to do this, we'll need to open our browser. Right here, if we try to enter any website, we have this error. And to fix it, we'll need to enter our settings, then scroll all the way down and enter General Management. Here, select Date and Time and enable Automatic Date and Time settings. Now we can go back to the browser, refresh the page, and it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.